Hello everybody, welcome back to another video where today I'm doing something a little bit different than what I normally do. Today we're going to be removing and then reinstalling RAM from this gaming PC. But before I get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos from my channel. Okay, so for this particular project, we're upgrading from 116 to 232 or 216 sticks, which equals 32 total. So for the removal process, what you want to do is, if I can get the camera to focus, there's this little tab right here. You just want to pull down and it should lift up a little bit if you saw that. So just do it again. So like, push that down. And then if you just, should lift up a little bit. Then what you want to do is grab onto both ends and just pull straight up. That's how you remove it. So then, grab the new one. And then, what I like to do is I just like to, grab it by both ends like I removed it. And there's these little notches on there on both ends, so I just like to line it up and then just push down from side to side, and then when you get to this side, you should hear a little click, and then you just press this, and that should be all good. Just lift up a little bit, make sure it's all set in there, and then yeah, that should be it. And since we have an extra one, I'll do it one more time just to make sure you guys got it down. So hold it by both ends, line it up with the two notches, and then once you got in there, push down from side to side, and then when you get to this side, you should hear a little click, and you just push it in like that. And that's basically how you do it. So, in case you guys are interested, the model of this RAM is DDR5. And I'll leave a link in the description below in case if you want to just go straight there and get it for yourself. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. 32 gigs of RAM, baby.